The Gratitude Air Jordan 11s are set to release this Saturday on December 9th, 2023 for the retail price of $230. I was lucky enough to get my pair a little bit early, so without any further ado, let me show you guys what they look like on feet.
Getting older, mine is stronger, I swear I've been on my shit. So much pressure on my shoulders, had to get that money quick. And this world been getting cold, you never know who might just switch. I keep my feelings to myself, know I can show them where it is. They used to say that I'm headed, I ain't never wanna listen. To the hills is where I'm headed, I can't stand the way I'm living. Wanna think I'm wasting time, but I just got a bigger vision. Until the day I see the light, no, I ain't giving up this mission. I was only 9 years old and had to learn to be a man. They had my daddy in that cell and I ain't seen him ever since. Wipe the tears up off my face, shit, I can't go through that again. Through all that shit, I still prevailed, no matter how hard times would get. Remember seeing my mama cry cause she couldn't afford the rent. That's when I looked into her eyes and said I'd give her every cent. And I know I done some wrong, but it's way too late to repent. They kicked me down and left me dry, I had my back up on the fence. I had to find another way cause I knew this shit wouldn't last. And these bitches really envy, had to leave them in the past. All the nights I felt alone, talked to my daddy through that glass. Adrenaline ran through my veins, I kept my foot up on the gas. I've been screaming fuck whoever, they ain't wanna hold me down. Applying pressure on you bitches, now they wanna come around. If you were with me from the start, I promise I'm gon' hold it down. I lost too many of my soldiers, hate to see them in the ground. I'm getting older, mine is stronger, I swear I've been on my shit. So much pressure on my shoulders, had to get that money quick. And this world been getting cold, you never know who might just switch. I keep my feelings to myself, know I can show them where it is. They used to say that I'm headed, I ain't never wanna listen. To the hills is where I'm headed, I can't stand the way I'm living. Wanna think I'm wasting time, but I just got a bigger vision. Until the day I see the light, no, I ain't giving up this mission. Until the day I see the light, no, I ain't giving up this mission. All these motherfuckers talking, but I swear that shit don't faze me. Money coming in, but I can never let it change me. Do this by my lonely, can't nobody say they made me. Wanna make it happen, probably why these bitches hate me. I'm applying pressure, gotta watch the way I'm stepping. Now they eyes up on the kid, fuck it up, no hesitation. I can't worry about these bitches, what the fuck I look like stressing. I just wanna get it back, supply my family with the millions. Even with no recognition, never catch you moving stupid. I don't need your love, you can keep it, I ain't Cupid. Motherfuckers acting, swear to God they getting booted. Steady talking on the ground, we pulling up, they acting clueless. Charge it to the game, I've been applying for them racks on me. Had to get off my ass cause there ain't shit for free. I was tearing up a guts and now she stuck on me. If they ain't know it, now they know it, I'ma make them see. Fuck it, we gon' risk it all cause we ain't losing nothing else. Man, they left us in that gutter, had to play the cards with dealt. Please stop acting like you know me, you don't know the things I found. I don't even need nobody when I know I got myself. I've been hurting for so long, I feel my body in a headlock. Whipping in that Honda, pretty soon it be a drop top. And this shit too deep, the only reason that I can't stop. Dropping back to back, ain't no discussion, bitch, it's non-stop. She like the way I'm dripping, little boy, you gotta take notes. Faded off the 1942, I'm finna take off. Feel my time is coming, we gon' touch on them C notes. Bitch, I'm taking wins, these others choking like a deep throat. Gorillas on my body, and I keep a few around me. Tell me why they wanna try me, dying lit just like I'm Cardi. I just popped another perky, only thing that's not gon' hurt me. Now I'm fucking on this bitch, remember when she used to curb me. Now they listen to my songs, and I'm only getting started. Walking through the storm, all alone they all departed. Why they do me wrong, left me out here broken hearted. They ain't even what I'm on, all that shit just left me heartless. How they tryna stop us, we gon' get to it regardless. I don't got no watch and gotta move like I'm the smartest. X me on my back, I walk around like I'm a target. I don't know who tryna take me out, that's why I'm staying guarded. Bitch, I want it all, just a youngin' tryna ball out. Coming for your dome, shit, I had to take my own route. Prolific with the flow, they be fucking with the kid now. I ain't even trying, little bitch, it's just a freestyle.
I've been super picky about my sneaker pickups, but there's something about the Gratitude Air Jordan 11s that I absolutely love. If you've been collecting sneakers for a while, you probably have those go-to shoes that once you slip them on, it brings you back to the past. And for me, these do just that. Once I put them on feet, I time traveled all the way back to high school, back when the Concords released. And I know these aren't no Concords, but these Gratitudes bring me back to a dope time in my life. Whenever I put on my Tiffany Nike SB Dunk Lows, it brings me all the way back to when I first started this YouTube channel. Something about the feeling is so nostalgic to me, and it's very hard to explain how that feels if you haven't felt that feeling yourself. I just checked StockX and the Gratitudes are going for a little bit under retail, which is amazing to see. They shouldn't be too hard to get, but of course they're going to sell out, so make sure you guys check out your local sneaker stores and also check out your Nike stores. I do have a feeling there are going to be some people that return these shoes because they anticipated to resell for a lot more, but in reality they're probably not going to sell for too much. Let me know if this shoe is a cop or drop in the comment section down below, and I'll see y'all very soon for the next video. I'm out. Peace.